This brand is made in the USA by Allied Air Enterprises, which is owned by Lennox International, but the units are only available through a dealer network in the USA. They use aluminized steel primary heat exchangers which resist corrosion but are not as durable as brands that use stainless steel. The units use hot surface ignition, which is quieter and more reliable than brands that use spark ignition. Their warranty is not as good as other brands as it does not provide for total furnace replacement in case of heat exchanger failure. The 92G1E models are basic 92% AFUE efficient single-stage gas furnaces with a constant torque blower motor, while the 96G1E has a 96% AFUE combustion efficiency. The 96G2E models are premium two-stage furnaces with a two-speed inducer motor for quieter and more efficient operation, while the 97G2E models have a 97% efficiency. They have a constant torque blower motor, while the premium 96G2V models have a variable speed blower motor which is quieter and more efficient and a 96% AFUE rating, while the 97G2V models have a 97% combustion efficiency. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category. For reviews of all of the brands and a head-to-head comparison tool, check out HvacForBeginners.com and shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store.